I'm blowing kush in my Chevy. I got all flavors. My driveway look like a pack of annihilators.
Okay.
Gang, baby.
Vito Brown.
Gang, baby. You know what's funny on my mind. Throw it on the store.
What up, world? It is the president, Vito Brown.
Yo, it's your girl next door, Lex Boogie.
And we are hosting the first annual Summer Fest at Nike Missile Park.
Yes, it's going down May 20th, Gaithersburg, Maryland.
Cookout, bike show,
What?
car show, basketball tournament.
Ooh, where y'all doing that? What y'all doing on that day? You need to come down and check us out. We doing it for the people, yo.
May 20th, it is for the community. We are also donating some of the proceeds to girltalk.com. It's a youth adolescent girls mentoring program based out of Gaithersburg, Maryland. Get it?
Can't tell you what beginners do. Chain around my neck, watch around my wrist. One hand on the wheel, the other hand around my bitch. Excuse me for my English, but it take two for the tango, and I take two shots to the smoke. If your God is just a banger.
Blowing kush in my Chevy. I got all flavors. My driveway.
Yo, what up, y'all? Hey, don't forget about the basketball tournament. It's 300 a team, so basically that's like $42 a person with a 7-man roster. You heard me. 12 teams. You win that, you get a stack. And now you triple your bread. It's really that easy. So remember, support girltalk.com. Come out, ball, have a good time. Look at these bikes, look at these cars. Let's get it in, man. Vito Brown signing out, man. Salute y'all.